stars are twinkling in the night sky and the moon is glowing so bright. It's nighttime. Let's prepare for sleep time with a simple sleep time sensory tray. First, let's work on our rice sensory base. Mix in some vinegar and coloured dye and leave it aside to dry. Once the coloured rice is dry, it's time to assemble our sensory bean. We have our night sky backdrop here. This is my secret to making a soft, calming nighttime sensory tray. We'll switch this on later. Time to switch on the fairy lights. This is a simple bean for you to wind down and get ready to sleep. So I'm keeping things really simple with these items. Our sleep time sensory tray is ready. Let's play!